In this video, we're going to be talking about how to size guide Shein or how to find your correct size. So there are a couple of key steps you want to go ahead and do in order to go ahead and find your size. So first things first, use a tape measure to get accurate measurements in inches or centimeters of your bust, fullest part, waist, and hips. Then all you need to do is when shopping. So as you can see, I have this little top opened up. If I want to go ahead and see the size, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on the size guide right over here. And it's going to show me what the size is. So extra small has 64 to 92 bust. Length is going to be 29.25. Small is going to be 68 to 96 bust, 30, and so on. You can also check reviews to see if customers say an item runs true to size, small or large. Also look at the model size, often listed in the description, to gauge how the garments fit. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you.